Welcome to Tanks Invest, where we talk about investing, finance, or professional women. As the recording time of 2:04 p.m. on Eastern Time, Ethereum coin trading $2,586, up about 0.65% so far. As you can see clearly on the crypto market and the equity market, we are kind of flat to down at the moment. It's prominently down on the equity side of the house, with Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and S&P 500 all down approximately 1.7% across the board. While on the altcoin side of the house, it's kind of a mixed bag collectively. You could see that Solana, XRP, and polkadot and ALGORAND are all down respectively about 5% so far. But the rest of the crypto market we can see is kind of trading on a sideways fashion, flat to up at the moment. So it seems like we are having a relatively kind of a mixed signal across the board, pending on the speech that we should be expecting. And I think I've been waiting for quite some time now. I just give you guys a screenshot. I'm actually waiting on the White House correspondence. Technically, this meeting from Joe Biden, that he will provide us an update on the Russian and Ukraine war, it should start somewhere around like 1 p.m. But for some reason, despite this being live at 12:45, p.m. On the Eastern time so far, it's been like about 2 hours now. Seems like Joe Biden is still not live and there's no broadcast going on yet. So it seems like everybody's just waiting on it, sitting ducks. And as we sitting ducks, fear mongering start to happen, uncertainty start to happen, like what's going on, driving some sell off more severely specifically onto the equity side, which on Dow Jones down 600 basis point today, right? And on the media front, I'm just looking into like the most recent updates. It seems like the U.S. Secretary of Defense is meeting with the Ukraine foreign prime minister at the Pentagon about 47 minutes ago. In addition to that, with respect to UK sanction, which has been publicized and obviously announced by Boris Johnson earlier today, it seems like U.S. is also planning on putting some sanctions, towards Russia as well. So it seems like the tension is definitely rising across all spectrum. In addition to that, I'm just looking across other latest activity. It seems like with respect to the meeting that Joe Biden was expected to be having with obviously Vladimir Putin is now in doubt, right? It seems like they cannot come to some sort of a amicable agreement or compromise that with respect to the planned meeting that they were expected to be having in the next 24 to 48 hours now is in doubt, right? So seems like it's still lingering information that's not completely confirmatory. So across the spectrum, we obviously waiting on the confirmatory signal from Joe Biden, which frankly I'm still waiting, right? I hope that I'm not like my computer's not frozen or something like that. We've been live for 77 minutes now on the stream, and it seems like it's been live for 77 minutes without anything that's updated. And I try to refresh it. I could just like refresh it in front of us right now to see if there's anything that's that can help it. I don't think I think it's really just a delay on the broadcast front. Let me just like double to make sure that it's loading. Not sure what's going. Yeah, it is still loading. It seems like it's not really updated. So let's just dive into technical to see how the market is shaking out right now ahead of obviously the media affectation that we're expecting. So with respect to recording time of 2:08 p.m. on the Eastern time, we're basically at the 2,600, lingering at the comfortable level at the 2,628. So we're basically like $40 below it. So if we have a negative signal, right, we will go down to naturally the 2,362. If the news is even worse, right, 2,160 will be naturally the next level that will leap down to, knowing the fact that we do have a couple of bounce levels, but the real level, that technically the bottom, would be 2,160. With respect to Bitcoin's up about 1.8% right now. We are lingering at the comfortable level again, right? If we crack through 34,400 will be coming, but the first level we ideally hover around would be 36, 35, and ideally obviously 34, right? But the real level is 34, right? Dogecoin has 12 cents right now, 12.95, so anywhere from current level all the way to 12 cents will be logical dollar cost average. Respect to Cardano is up about 2.25%, anywhere from current level to 81 cents is still logical. Solana is still selling off, right? Again, anywhere from below the $100 mark to 90. So 90 to 80 is still logical at the 35 out of 70. XRP is down about 7.7%. We're lingering at the exact level that I identify, right? With the 44 out of 70. So ideally, again, right, anywhere from 62 cents to 57. Polkadot's down about 3.12%, 16.16 right now. I like anywhere from current level all the way to 15.80 from here. Algorand's down about 4% so far at 75 cents. I like anywhere from current level all the way to 75.83. We are relatively oversold at 32 right now. Shiba Inu, low 2000s, 1400, 900 from here, right? We are still, about like 100 away from it, or 200 away from it. So I would probably wait off until we get down to like at least 2100 from here. Backtag is flat again, 142 to 120 is the logical level dollar cost average at with 37 out of 70. AVAX down about up about 2.4%, 59 to 50. And then lastly, Luna up about 7%. Again, right, we bounced from the 52, which is the reason why we're up right now. Again, 62, 52 to 45 from here. So the next level, if we go up, is 52. It's 62. If we go down, it's 52. Obviously, we're all away from it. Or even worse, would be 45 from here with the 47 out of 70. Okay, so let's see if it's still like it's waiting on Joe Biden for some reason. It's been live for 82 minutes now. Not sure what's going on. Maybe he's putting out fire or something like that. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'll obviously watch the live stream and give you guys an update subsequently. All right, take care. Bye.